Good morning, everyone. I, Radhika Fuljale, Webinar Coordinator, welcome you all on behalf of Shahanankar Kachi Engineering College, Mumbai, India. We at Sakek Research Sale will take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you present here today for this hybrid webinar series of innovative and emerging technology in the field of research in collaboration with all our partners. Today, our speaker, Mr. Siddharth Vira, is going to tell us about digital marketing. Our speaker, Mr. Siddharth Veera, is Mumbai University student pursuing travel and tourism from correspondence. He has been practicing digital marketing since 2017. He has worked on various websites, personally and for different clients in market too. With the aim of establishing Digital India, he has personally trained more than 200 students in the same field. And now they are growing globally with GoDaddy Academy and aiming to provide quality training all across India. Before handing over to our speaker, I would like to make some announcement to all my attendees that if you have any queries or you want to ask any question to our speaker throughout the session, you can ask through Q&A chat box. Most frequently asked question will be answered at the end of the webinar and feedback link will be provided at the end of webinar. Now I hand over the webinar to our speaker, Mr. Siddharth Veera. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Good morning. Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope I am visible to everyone.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Yeah. I'll share the screen in a moment, and I personally thank Shand Anchor Kutch Engineering College to provide me such an opportunity to share all my knowledge of digital marketing with the youngsters, to with my colleagues. I myself an alumni from Shand Anchor College, and I have learned so many things, so many realities that are hidden from us when we are kid and we enter into engineering. The support we got into Shine Anchor was really, you must have experienced all of such things. So the main agenda of today's this webinar is about it's kind of promotion to digital India. We all I hope my slide is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So see, we are currently living into a digital era. I will just give my introduction later on. Ma'am already gave my introduction. Okay, so we are living into a digital era. It's 2020. Okay, and we all are experiencing this pandemic. You all are going through this pandemic. Some are in stress, some are happily going through it. There are mixed feelings about this current scenario. Okay, but the one thing that we have learned in this pandemic is that there is nothing impossible. Okay, in traditional days, we used to think that if you want to learn something, you have to go to a school, you have to go to a college, you have to sit in a classroom filled with 60 to 70 students, and then only you can learn something. This pandemic has proved that there is nothing impossible if we want to do it. Okay, we everyone in India, or you can say globally, everyone are coming digital. Okay, the people who were against the digital India, who were like there is nothing possible in digital, there are many fraud cases that happens digitally. Everyone are today accepting the fact that if we provide security to our lives, there is nothing impossible in the digital world. You can literally gain name, fame, you can earn money, you can earn anything when you are online. You can literally go to any heights when you are moving digital. So what is this about? Okay, see, I have shared a fact that India is booming online. Okay, here is a chart that I prepared. Okay, the sources of Deloitte analysis. Okay, here is the chart where you can see the growth of digital India. Okay, that is mobile data consumptions in petabytes per month. Okay, the consumption data is in petabytes. In 2014, it was below 500, and in 2020, okay, the data is above 1500. It is coming to touch 2000 petabytes per month. That is the mobile data consumption, the mobile internet that we are using. Now we are literally using internet, or internet is using us. That's the biggest question in life. Okay, there is something that our parents literally stress upon, that you are wasting your time on internet. There is nothing like you can study on internet. If you want to study something, you have to learn from an expert, or an experienced person. If he or she sits around you, he will guide you through it, and then only you might be able to learn through it. And today this thing is proving that there in mobile also you are learning so many things. Literally you are able to view this webinar on your mobile phones, on your laptop, on your tablets, on any technical device that you are using. So how we can use it? Are we really using internet, or just internet is using us? Okay, why you have to go digital in this era? Okay, there are some facts that I have shown again. Okay, in digital around world in 2020, this is the data from January 2020. Okay, that is total population is 7.75 billion. That is urbanization is 55%. Okay, unique mobile phone users in January 2020 were like 5.19 billion. Just imagine, 5.19 billion unique mobile phone users. And the internet users are around 4.54 billion. Okay, that is a new internet users. Okay. And active social media users are 3.8 billion. You all might be using Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, and so many other social media platforms. I cannot even say. Okay. Literally, if I want to give the quarter of Facebook, literally in January to April, okay, the Facebook had around 2.6 billion users, 2.6 billion active users on Facebook. It is just one platform of social media. You might be using Facebook in day-to-day life, and you might know that Facebook is one of the untouched, unbeatable company in social media. No one has ever beaten Facebook. Like, you might have seen the trend about YouTube versus TikTok. You might have participated on it also. Okay, so there are various collaborations in internet, in social medias. Like, if I go to tell about the uh, food industry applications, like Zomato and Uber Eats, they collaborated with each other so that their user base will be multiplied. But Facebook is that company who has been unbeatable since its opening. Okay, this is because there are so many users in social media. There are so many users who are using internet like anything. Okay, see, I am providing you the evolution of digital marketing. Let me tell you the revolution of the industries. See, if I go to an ancient history, you might have experienced this thing. In ancient history, every individual was known by his or her skills. If he is a swordsman, he would go into military. If he is a good painter, he will go into a painting job. He will get the job, he will make a earning out of the skills that he has. Okay. Later on, the revolution came, and everyone was directed towards job. Okay. Everyone was looking for jobs. Like, if I get a job, it doesn't matter what skill I have. I can learn the skills. I can get the training of some sort of from any industry, and I will be able to earn money. Everyone was going behind earning money, going financially independent. And today is again a revolution in digital era. That is, everyone are again looking for skilled people. It doesn't matter you are studying from 20 years, 25 years, for 30 years. If you are not skilled enough to give me a profit, to give my industry a profit of even 1 rupee, then we cannot think to hire you, because there are many skilled professionals who are doing something in their daily life. I will come on to the examples. Okay. See what GoDaddy, my company Techie Geeks has recently collaborated with GoDaddy, and we are the career guide in digital world. How we are a career guide, I am going to give you a small session on it. Okay. See, in this digital era, people follow trends. People are attractive towards informative content rather than entertaining content. You might have seen about the video of Carrie Minati. You might know Carrie Minati is a YouTuber. You some might know the name of Ajay Nagar. Okay, there was a recent trend and he came to be an viral content in a few days back. Okay, again I will show you some data. Like every one of you might know some of them. You might be knowing Bhuvan Bam of BBK Vines. You might be knowing Priya Prakash Warrior. You might be knowing Sandeep Maheshwari. You might be knowing Dhinchak Puja. You might be knowing Rano Mondal, or you might be knowing the TikTokers, or you might be knowing Ashish Chanchlani. There wouldn't be any single face that you might don't know. Okay. Now why is it possible? Because they have used internet for themselves. They have created something. They have created a trend. Okay, they have created an informative trend. When you watch any of the videos of any of these people I have shown, if you watch the videos of Bhuvan Bam, if you watch the videos of Sandeep Maheshwari is a motivational speaker. Every student, every person is following him to get some motivation, to get inspiration. Either you can read books, or he has provided the information from books on his YouTube channel. You might be knowing about Rano Mondal. What has she done unique? Everyone thinks she has been lucky. There are various students, there are various people who just think the YouTubers or the people who have went viral in this era have been lucky. There is nothing like lucky in this world. It's pure, you can say, talent. Rano Mandal has a talent of singing. She used to sing on railway stations. A person came, he told us, I am recording your video. There are so many people in our surrounding also, or it can be you, that who are worried to speak online, who are worried to speak in front of a camera, who are worried to speak on a stage, who are worried to take a stand. She didn't she didn't falter. Okay, she just gave a performance on a video also, and she went viral. People were crazy how sound she is. Same goes for Dhinchak Puja. There are many people who are worried that my singing is not good, my cooking is not good, my talent is not good. People keep underestimating themselves and think that people won't like them. See, on internet, people are liking anything. People will like everything if it is informative for them. I will provide you a guide how you can be an influencer, how you can build a portfolio that will work for you. Everyone dreams that I should have a name fame. Wherever I go, people should know me already. People should know me before I arrive. But what you have to do is you have to create a marketing, you have to create a brand of yourself, of your name. I will just give you a task. You can just go and do it after this session, or if you want to do it, you can do it now. If you go to Google and you Google my name, that is Siddharth Veera, Siddharth space Vira. If you Google my name Siddharth Veera, you can view all my social media platforms. You can view my all social media accounts wherever I am possible. You can first view Facebook account, LinkedIn account, Instagram account, YouTube account, Twitter account, even Pinterest account. It's not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science. You have to just start branding yourself. Okay, now how you can brand yourself? See, it's a three simple step procedure. Okay, when you have to create a brand in digital marketing, if you have to create a brand for any other company, you have to provide something so that people will follow you. This is the world of barter system. Okay, we have all learned barter system when we were a kid. It's like you give something, then I will give something to you. You provide information to people, they will follow you. It's just like if we go to college, we are paying college a sum of amount as a fees. Why we are paying them fees? Because they are providing us graduation. They are providing us with an information that will be useful to us when we are going into for jobs, when we are growing into various industries. That is, if they are providing content, you are following them. In such a manner, you have to provide some valuable content to your users to whom you want to attract. There might be someone who likes cooking, but they are not working on it because they are worried about my information would not be sufficient for people. Your information can be sufficient. Your information can be an easy approach to people. Not everyone wants to follow the chef. People are looking for easy methods to cook something at home, and that's what's trending nowadays. Every third person is opening a YouTube channel, is creating a YouTube channel and putting their cooking videos online. Some of you might be interested in fashion stuff. You might be good at dressing. You have a great dressing sense, you have a great fashion sense, you have a great color combination style. Just provide it on your channel, on your Instagram. You can be a next Instagrammer. Many of us are great learners. We read various books, we read various we gain knowledge from various videos, and we provide it as an information. You can provide anything on internet. You can provide any information, any piece of information that you feel you are great at. I am great at speaking. I provide information by speaking. It can be any information. It can be about digital marketing, it can be about career counseling. And that's why today I am representing GoDaddy in India as an admission counselor, because I worked on my content, I worked on my talent. If my talent is speaking, if my talent is counseling, then I have worked on it. The next thing you have to focus on is on authenticity. Whatever you are providing, is it authentic or not? See, the main thing on social media, the main issue on social media is no one can trust anything. Like I would like to say about some recent news. You all have learned about Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide. Okay, there are so many accounts who are just using his news to gain followers. In such a manner, people won't believe anyone. They are just providing fake news. They are spreading fake news. They are literally taking benefit of this sad moment. You should never do this on social media, on any digital platform. If people has a power to follow you, they have the power to degrade you also. You might have seen the example of TikTok. I won't be giving you any example that you don't know. You will learn today what you are seeing everywhere, but you haven't focused on it yet. Authenticity matters on internet. If you are authentic about your information, people will follow you like hell. You might have seen about Carrie Minati. Okay. He gained millions of followers in a short span of time. Why? Because he provided an authentic content. He provided a content which people could relate with each other. Okay. First, you have to provide an authentic content and a valuable content. Okay. That people could learn something out of it. Okay, and later on you can engage with audience. You can take polls, you can take various activities, that what should I provide, what do you like in my account, what do you like in me, what are you expecting out of me. This is the one way to gain popularity on internet, by your social media. You are using social media. People of strength around 2.6 billion are using social media along with you. It's not difficult to stand out of 2.6 billion people. Okay, understand the concept. Understand the concept, you can work on it. Okay. Later on, see, you have to gather all resources and step into digital era. Why you have to shift on digital marketing? It's not like you have to skip every studies. You don't have to give up your studies. You don't have to give up your current career. You have to use digital marketing to boost your current career. If I go into any job, why I am successful today? Because when I was learning digital marketing in 2017, let me tell you my story. I was introduced to digital marketing. I came to know about that this is website and stuff. This is social medias. You can gain popularity on internet. This is something called as search engine optimization. You can grow your own brand or you can grow your own name into a brand. I was quite confused that I don't know any of this. I just know how to use a Facebook, and even I'm not so socialized. Then how can I become a successful person using social media? I'm an introvert person. No one knows me. Even my friends doesn't know who am I. So how will people out of my surrounding, out of my friend circle, out of my comfort zone will know me? Then I came to know it's time to transform. I had ideas. I had my interest in electronics. My former brand, that is It's Techno Era, I created a site of known as It's Techno Era. I had a passion in electronics. I used to do electronics projects at home. Many of you might be doing it. You have passion in coding. You keep creating some applications. You keep creating some projects at home. You keep designing various things. I just got assembled all those things. I got it right and I put it on internet. I put it on my brand, that is It's Techno Era. It's my former brand. And you won't believe the response of the people of my own friends was unbelievable. I gained more than 1000 to 2000 followers in the beginning of my career, just because I provided a valuable content. You, if you are from electronics engineering or from computer engineering, you might know that the source codes are not available easily on internet. You keep searching on various websites and you are like always going to dead end. I provided that information on my website when I began my career in digital marketing, because I had the knowledge of electronics. I had a passion in electronics. So because of that, I gained followers. I gained followers on my own website. There are two things. If either you can create a YouTube channel and you can bring 1000 to 2000 followers on a single YouTube channel, and everyone knows it's difficult, it's challenging. Or either you can create your own youtube.com. So I built my own htechnoera.com. I gathered all the resources. And what I found in these 3 to 4 years is that people know the opportunity, but why they are unable to opt for it? Because they don't know what are the sources. So today I will share you with all the sources that you require. I will not give you any platform. I will not give you any guide. I will give you the sources. You can just research on it. See, you are into a field of development, you are into a field of engineering. Engineers are known to be a developers who are about to bring change in society. And to bring the change in society, you have to keep researching what's around you, what's going on around you. It's time to transform all the ideas into reality. And you can do something productive on internet. How you can do it? See, what are the tools you need to grow your own brand or grow any other brands you might be coming across in 3 to 4 years, or in 1 to 2 years you might be going to search job. Okay, every person now is going digital, every company is going digital, everyone are looking for digital opportunities. Okay, so you might be needing these all tools. Okay, whenever someone will ask you how to develop a website, you need only these things, these tools. First is domain name. Now what is domain name? Domain name is a name of any website or any company. If I am going to Shah and Anchor, Shah and Anchor has its own website, that is shahandanchor.com, because they have an identity on internet. They are not just dependent on social medias, because they know that social media can change any day. In 2008 Facebook was leading. After some time, TikTok and Instagram are leading. Okay, Facebook is still in market, but the leading social medias are different. So people keep shifting on social medias. But if you have your own online property, you can do anything. You have your own identity. The next thing you required is web hosting. These are some technical things that you might be asked about when you are stepping into digital marketing. If you go to someone for job, if you are looking for any job, they will ask you whether you know to design a website or not. Coding is good, programming is good, I appreciate your efforts, but I want a easier method so that I can also understand. That's why there are various content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and so much more. Okay, you need to know how to secure a website, how to secure an online property, because people are visiting, their users, your audience will be visiting on your website, on your company's website, or whoever you are working for. They want to opt for a secure platform. You should know how to set up a firewall. You should know about SSL certifications. What are these all? Everyone will be thinking like, is this really a part of digital marketing? Yes, it is. When you go for a job, or if you are doing your own business also, you are quite, you should know. You are expected to know all of this. These are some of the tools that you can which you can develop your own website. You can just get a domain name on GoDaddy. Just go there, you can opt for domain name, you can buy an web hosting, you can buy Plex Panel or Control Panel from anywhere. Design your own website, design your company's website, design your brand's website. Okay. Now there are various tools to boost your website. There are content aggregators. I am giving you an example of a content aggregator, that is Davci. It is one of my developed tools. Okay. My company has developed this tool to provide the support to bloggers. Okay. My company has trained more than 1 lakh bloggers in the field of digital marketing. So there is a platform called Davci which connects all the bloggers along with others. Okay. Then there is a Birbal that you don't have to know that. Now, what is Techie Geeks? Okay, we are a determined team of technocrats. Okay, we are the tech enthusiasts who delivers training and knowledge to foster each one's career in digital marketing. We are into this field for past 10 to 12 years. Okay, I have been practicing digital marketing since 2017. Okay, we provide knowledge that every blogger needs. Okay, we don't provide high end knowledge from day one. We provide knowledge from scratch. Now, why we do that? To so that people can learn to enter into digital marketing. Okay, what you have to learn is, see, there are various terms in digital marketing that you should know about. That is, the first one is search engine optimization. Let me tell you, search engine optimization itself is $200 billion industry. $200 billion industry. Okay, it means that there are job availabilities of $200 billion in just the field of search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? Whenever someone has a property on internet, that is their own website, everyone wish that their website comes on the ranking on Google or any search engine. Okay, whenever you go on Google or whenever you Google something like, let me take an example of any movie. Okay, if you are searching a movie, let's say Mission Impossible. Okay, you are searching Mission Impossible free download on your Google. Okay, or any search engine, you can say Bing, Yahoo, or anything. You will get the results related to Mission Impossible only, related to their cast, related to their movie, related to their songs, and all those things. It won't happen like you are searching for Mission Impossible and search engine is showing you the results of, see, this is Bahubali. Okay, this is how search engine works, because search engine focus on the websites who have content regarding the searched query. Okay, and it is not an easy task. Okay, just as I gave you the example, if you search Siddharth Veera on Google, you might get my profile. You will get my all social media profiles. And this is because of search engine optimization only, because every website who have a data regarding Siddharth Veera will rank on Google because people are searching for it. The next point is social media optimization. There are numerous products. There are similar products. Okay, there are similar engineering colleges. How my college will rank on Google. That is the task. If someone search for top best engineering colleges in Mumbai, how my college will rank, how my social media profile will rank. Okay, if there is my industry who is providing t-shirts, who is into t-shirts and clothing industry. Whenever someone search about offers, deals, how to purchase a t-shirt or how to where to get good t-shirts, how my social media profile and how my own website will be ranking on Google. Everyone are looking for these talent. Every industry is looking for this talent. Even in this revolution, let me tell you some things. People will be coming online. Okay, there are various general store, there are various retailers, there are local businesses who are coming online, who are creating their own website. They will be looking for freelancers. The job opportunity that is in digital marketing is freelancing. You can do a full time job, or you can do a part time job, or you can develop your own business or your own agency who will be providing a digital marketing services. Okay, now people are looking for freelancers. Why people are looking for freelancers? Everyone knows that job securities are at stake. Companies are unable to hire someone on a permanent level. Okay, so they are looking for freelancers. Who are freelancers? They work for any company for a certain period of time. For an example, I am a search engine optimizer. Okay, I will work for an industry or an company for, let's say, 2 months. I will provide them my services with my knowledge, with my content. Okay, and they will pay me on the basis of that 2 months work. Let's say 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, whatever I am charging. And the more experience you have, the more you are getting paid. Okay, so this is the field of freelancing. Okay, you can work simultaneously, you can work along with your studies, so that you can be financially independent. When you are a student, people are looking who can work from home. In this pandemic, industries have realized that they don't have a need to set up their company everywhere. They don't have a need to set up their offices in every corner. There are certain departments who can work efficiently from home. There are various industry, and I hope you all are belonging to an IT background. And if you are belonging to IT background, you should have every skill that is required to work from home. Okay, so this is about search engine optimization. It is one of the biggest part of digital marketing. Okay. The another thing in digital marketing is monetization. Everyone wants to learn how to earn income through internet, through own website, through own social media. On social medias, you can earn using various options like collaboration. You can do affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? See, everyone keeps purchasing either of the products and services using, let's say, Amazon, Flipkart. There are various e-commerce sites. I will take an example of Amazon so that everyone could relate it. Okay, now what is affiliate marketing? Let's say I purchased a mobile cover. This is my mobile. I have purchased this mobile cover. Everyone are asking me that, hey Siddharth, where did you purchase this cover? It's very cool. It's looking cool. It's the color is very nice. And I will be suggesting them that I purchased it from Amazon. Let me share you a link here. You can also buy it. There's a discount offer going on. So if technically if I see that there is a product that I referred to my friend, and there is a sale for Amazon. Okay, Amazon is benefited because of my referral. Now what Amazon is telling me, why don't you join my affiliate program? There is a concept of refer and earn. You refer my product to your friends as you usually do. Whenever you purchase a let's say specs, people will ask you, from where did you purchase your specs and all. I will take an example of Bhuvan Bum. If you are viewing his videos, you might be seeing he keeps promoting Lenskart. He keeps providing Mivi headphones. Now why does he do that? It's a sort of affiliate marketing. If you go on to his link and you purchase any product using his link, Amazon will share a certain amount of commission with you. Okay, this is affiliate marketing. This is the uh, refer and earn process. You might be using Google Pay, you might be using Paytm, you might be using uh, Phone Pay. Every application in today's world has an option of refer and earn, and people are earning lakhs and lakhs rupees out of it. So digital marketing is a field which can provide you name, fame, and money at the same time. Unless and until you don't have a brand, you will not be able to earn a single rupee. You have to create your own brand. You have to provide the valuable content that I said earlier, so that people will follow you. And once people are following you, they will purchase from you, because everyone is looking into lifestyles. Okay, till date, people were looking for the lifestyles of celebrities. Okay, people were fantasized about their life. And after this recent case, everyone are worried that even celebrities have stress. No one is worried about themselves, what stress they are carrying. There are various final year students. They are my friends who are into final year. They are also going into depression because they are worried about their career, what will happen to them. Yet people are worried about someone else's life. And is digital marketing, you can be someone who can inspire people, who can provide positivity to society. Where people are looking on the negative aspect of every single thing, you can be the one who is spreading positivity using his own brand, and people will definitely follow you because you are providing valuable information to them. You are transforming not only your life, you will be transforming people's life. That's why you have to come on digital marketing, so that people can follow you, and people are looking for you or people like you. Let's say if someone is great at cooking, people are looking for various easy approach how they can cook at home. If you are not going to share your information, someone else will. Let's say that I will take an example of Dinchak Puja. People are looking for someone who is singing on their own level. If you are not bringing out your singing skills, Dinchak Puja is doing that, and people are following her. Let it be if her voice is not good or not. You are no one to judge, neither am I. People are following them. Okay. This is one of the part of YouTube marketing. Okay, there are website analytics. Let's say if you are going into some company, okay, and you have the knowledge of how to analyze a website. If my website is not working properly, if your company's website is not working properly, what you should develop in it? I I will guarantee you, I will assure you that you will be one of those employees who are praised. Okay, because people are looking some for someone who will analyze something, and you are working for a company and you are a multitasker, then definitely someone will give you a praise. Okay, this is about digital marketing trainings. Now we have come up with a program of international certification. If someone is interested to work from home, they can become a GoDaddy certified digital marketing professional exclusively with us. We are running a campaign all over India, where first of all we are providing free trainings for every aspirant digital marketer. Whoever wants to learn digital marketer, we are providing a free career counseling session about how they can grow their career into digital marketing. And later on, if you are interested into digital marketing, if you want to make your career out of it, you can connect with us. You can be a international certified digital marketing professional. You will be listed among GoDaddy professionals. You might be knowing about GoDaddy or not. Let me tell you, GoDaddy is a US based venture, okay, who is already a $1 billion company working along with techie gigs in India. Okay, and we are here, we are aiming to make everyone digitally professional, because people are looking for it, industries are looking for them. Let's say you are a computer engineer, okay, you are developing a software for a company, and you are only giving them an idea how you can market this software using your own site, how you can advertise this software using Facebook advertisement, using Google AdSense. They will definitely hire you because you don't have a knowledge of just developing a software. You have the knowledge how they you can market it in actual industry, in actual market, because they will get profit after they have marketed the product and after their audience have purchased your software. So these are some of the skills that is required. Okay, let's create a career, future and history with Corporate Infocom Private Limited. It's my sister company along with Techie Geeks. Okay, so this was about digital marketing, how you can build a career out of it. Let me tell you about some job roles in digital marketing. There is someone known as content writer. There might be various students. Many of you will be like me who loves to write something. I am a professional content writer. Okay, I like to write technical things like technicalities and all such things. The content writing field is a $50 billion industry. Okay, people are looking for content writer. As you know, there are many industries who are similar. Okay, like Amazon is one industry. Along with that, Flipkart is also an e-commerce industry. They all have same products, but when you read their content, they all have written differently. Okay, there is a way of presentation. There is a way of presenting the content. Okay, that's why content writer are in demand nowadays. There are someone search engine optimizer. As I have told you earlier, people are looking for students or employees or influencers or freelancers who have the knowledge how they can rank in Google, in Yahoo, in Bing or any damn search engine. Okay, how someone will search a keyword now? What's a keyword? As I told you earlier, if I am searching Mission Impossible movie, then this Mission Impossible movie is a keyword for Google. If someone searches any key phrase or keyword about my industry, how I will rank on Google? People are looking for such freelancers. This is one of the job role. People are looking for SEO manager. People are looking for digital marketing strategist. Now, who are digital marketing strategists? There might be many of you who are great in making various strategy, how this will work, how that will work. If I am working on this project, how I can divide my work in 10 people. I can bring out some of the best qualities of my teammates. A digital marketing strategist do similar kind of work. There are various people under me. There are various employees who are working with me. One is a content writer, one is an influencer, one is a search engine optimizer, one is good at website analytics. I have to manage all of them. Okay, it doesn't matter what skill you have, you can make great out of your skill. You can make 100% benefit out of your skill when you are into digital marketing, because people are online now than ever. No one would have thought that digital India will take such a turn. Digital marketing will boom in such a manner, and it's for the good of people, because till date no one was able to understand the value of digital marketing. In 3 years of my career, I will share my experience. When I used to go to train various students, I had to give them the knowledge why you have to learn this thing, why you have to make a career out of it, why you have to work on your social media, why you have to work on your own website, why you have to understand the dynamics of companies. I have to give them a session of literally 1 hour so that they would start to do something. They would take some action. And today, the situation is speaking for itself. Okay, you can work internationally, you can work nationally, you can work for local websites, you can work anywhere if you are into digital marketing. This is the scope of digital marketing, my friends. And if you are not going to take a step today, you might be left back. Okay, we all are running into this. industry, we all are running in a race. I will quote Dr. Viru Shastra Buddhi from Three Idiots. Life is a race, everyone are running. Okay, you have to transform with the changes. You have to learn new things. You have to keep upgrading yourself along with the knowledge you are getting right now. College, colleges, and the thing you are learning in college is required so that you can be mature enough to learn about industries. But if you have to be a practitioner, you have to keep researching on the transformation that is going around you. Okay, this was from my side. I i am already short on time. The event is going to end at 12 p.m. Okay, so I would request ma'am again to just take over, and if you have any doubts you can just share. I will be able to give the answers.
Yes, sir. We have some questions.
Yes.
First question: what qualification is required to join the digital marketing course?
uh, there is no qualification in digital marketing. Okay, there is no requirement of qualification. The only requirement is your talent. Okay, if you are good at something, let's say if you are good at image designing, there are various editors, okay, who keep editing their images. If you are good at it, just learn a new thing of how to design images, how to design presentations for companies, and you will be hired as a designer. Learn the art of Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. There is no prerequisite qualification. Anyone can work in digital marketing.
Okay, basically from commerce field also we can do it.
Yes, yes, yes. Because it is a combination of two fields. One is digital, that is an online platform, and one is marketing. Marketing belongs from commerce background. Okay. And if you go into job, like I have an experience of working with 10 to 15 industries right now. When you go and get the job, na, I have experienced that you have to work from everything. Like if you are good at, as I said, I there was my friend who created a great software from Google Meet. It is a platform just like Google Meet. Okay. Now, if he is good at creating various softwares. But the thing is, he has to market that thing, and you have to learn that skill also. And this skill will be provided you from industries wherever you are working. So in digital marketing, there is requirement of everyone. There is not like someone from science would only be able to work in digital marketing or from commerce only. You have to learn the actual behavior of people around you. Like we are, if we are on social media, we keep thinking, right? My friend will follow me or not. If I share this picture, they will like my picture or not. They will like my video or not. They will like my editing or not. They will share or not. Is this kind of thinking only required in digital marketing?
Okay, thank you, sir. Next
Yes.
question: what are different career specialization courses in digital marketing?
See, there are numerous career specialization. The top specializations are, first of all, told about content writing. Okay, you can be a great content writer. It is, I can say, the demand of content writers are about single industry, single company hires about 25 to 30 content writer at a time, because there are various categories in every industry. One is marketing, one is technical, and such things. Okay, then the another special field is the top high paying job is of digital marketing strategist. The person who can strategize various campaigns, they can understand various audience behaviors, how they are liking. If I could show, uh, can I show you one thing about Facebook? Okay, I will just present a screen again.
Yes, sir.
Uh, when you go on Facebook, okay, I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, So on Facebook, you know that there are various people. There are 2.6 billion active users on Facebook. Okay, so what people are looking for a employee or person who can understand their audience. Okay, who can understand how their audience is behaving. Okay, where they can find their audience. Let's say I have a product. I am selling a T-shirt. For a very, I will take very basic example. I am selling a T-shirt. Okay, I am looking for people who might be interested in purchasing t-shirts, and I want to learn about their behavior, how they are behaving on Facebook, or how they are behaving on various social media platforms. Okay, so Facebook is providing with a tool known as audience insights. Okay, now what this audience insight do, it provides you all the data of every people who are on Facebook. Okay, and literally I will say every people, because you can get the information like how much they are earning, how much they are spending, and how what are they interested in, everything you can say.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, let, let me share you the screen.
Yes.
Here you can look in audience insight. Let's say I am looking for t-shirts. As I said, I will look for everyone on Facebook. Here the country is selected, United States. I will just change my country to India. Okay. And I can just look for any interest. Let's say I am looking for interest shirt. Okay. I'm looking for people who have an interest in shirts. I can get the audience insight like how many people are interested. Like 17% women in India are interested in purchasing shirts. Okay. And 83% men are interested in buying shirt. Okay. I can get to know about their relationship status. 62% are single in a relation. There are 4% people who are in relationship. There are 2% people who are engaged. There are 32% who are married. What are their educational level? Okay, there are various university students who are interested in buying shirts. So in this manner, I can literally look for their job titles also. So a strategist does this kind of work. Okay, this is the work of strategists. They have to strategize the campaigns, they have to strategize the ads according to their audience behavior. These are two highest paying job in digital marketing. If I tell about the starting salary is about 50 to 60,000 for each.
It's a great opportunity
Yes.
if the salary is good. Next
Yes,
question,
yes.
sir. Where can I learn digital marketing course?
There are various platforms to learn digital marketing. First of all, there is YouTube. Okay, people are looking for various free courses, but let me tell you, there is nothing in this world known as free. No one is giving anything for free. Okay, I will suggest you the best platform right now in my eyes is GoDaddy. GoDaddy Academy is running its program. It is providing digital marketing certification as well as career guidance, as well as job assistance, as well as placement assistance in India to every student who are opting in digital marketing for a very first time. And it's just 3 months course. You can be digital marketing certified in 3 months, and you can get projects from GoDaddy itself. You will be listed in the GoDaddy Academy's official website, and the industries who wants to hire you will contact you directly. And if I tell you about offline sources, I will suggest you don't go for any offline classes, because when someone goes for offline classes, there are various factors involved in their fees, like light bill and maintenance bill and these all kind of things, and their fees is about 40 to 50,000, and it's not at all affordable to pay 50,000 for just 3 month course. It is a total waste of money if I tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can just go for an online course like international courses like GoDaddy. If someone wants a link or special offers, they can contact me via my social media, or you can take my contact from the teachers. They have my contact already. I can provide you the complete admission counseling about GoDaddy.
Sir, one more question.
Yes.
Is any certification available for the digital marketing course? Does it matter?
Yes, yes. See, let me tell you one thing. I hope teachers won't be affected by this sentence. Certification is just a piece of paper giving a proof that you are mature enough to learn something. It doesn't show your skill. Okay, I hope no one will be offended by this statement, but certification is nothing other than a piece of paper. But why it is important? Because we are living in a society where you are judged on the basis of certificate only. In digital marketing, your skill is given a highest priority than your certificate. If you are, there are various people, various of my friends who have been certified for from GoDaddy only, but they are unable to design a single page of Facebook. A single Facebook page also they are unable to design. Then they won't be given any priority in the field. This is the field where only practical things matter, and the certification will, it's just like an entry to any industry. Like if you are graduated, you will be given an entry to give a uh, job interview or something. That's why certification matter.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Sir, one last question.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Uh, which is the best course, online or offline?
As I told you earlier, it completely depends on your mentality. Okay, if you are comfortable with online course, you can just opt for online course. And there are various online courses who provide assistance, that is one-on-one assistance, like I am talking to you online. Okay, but if you are someone like me, who are comfortable more offline in classes, when some of the professor or teacher comes along with you, he sits alongside with you and teaches everything on your computer screen, then you can opt for offline. But the thing is, if you opt for offline course, there will be a highest paying fee. Okay, because you have to pay for everything. Okay, when you are opting for an online course, there is a high deduction of fee, and you have to just pay for the course and the services you are getting. So in my suggestion, online course are the best, because you can learn from online course from anywhere. You are traveling, you are sitting at home, and come on, let's deal it, we are students. Okay, it's this pandemic that we are learning from home. Otherwise everyone knows how much you attend your classes and everything. Okay, so I will suggest, don't waste your money on offline courses. Just get an great online course and get from industry experts.
Thank you, sir. Thank you by sharing your knowledge of digital marketing with us. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a small token of our appreciation on behalf of Shan Anchor Research Sale for your sir. Please accept it with your sincere thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you.